I just can't let you go. Lord knows that I've tried to. You said I was the only one.
What's up? What's up? Welcome back to my channel, guys. It's been a while. I haven't done a video on fried chicken. So today your girl will be presenting some honey mustard fried drumsticks, and I will be doing them a different way. No, I will drop all my ingredients in the description box, and I do hope that you guys will like my videos. I have started to put the weight of what I'm doing, the serving, and giving you some of the ingredients that I use. Mark you can choose to use whatever seasoning you want to. All the seasonings I use, I will list them according to how I use them and the weight of the drumsticks that I seasoned. And yes, I seasoned with some honey mustard. This is different from the regular way. Fried chicken can be done so many different ways. So I wanted to show you guys this one that I will be doing. So I seasoned my drumsticks and I covered with some saran wrap, and I did this overnight. Here I am making the flour base to fry this chicken, and I did not use any egg. All my seasonings, I will also drop the seasonings for the flour mixture, which is almost most of the same seasonings that I use to season the chicken. I did not use any salt on the chicken itself. However, I added a little salt to the flour mixture. Here, I love to put it in a Ziploc bag so it does not mess the place up. The way how the chicken is coated with the flour, once you add it in your oil, that is how it will come out. And I added a little garlic to my oil because I wanted to. Sometimes I'll also add Scotch bonnet pepper or hot pepper. Now for deep frying, I really don't like to fry foods, but sometimes we have to cheat. I did not use a lot of oil, so the chicken is not swimming in a lot of oil. Once the chicken is fried, the next thing is I will be adding all these chicken to the oven. What the oven does is it removes some of the grease that is inside of the chicken, and it helps to make the chicken a little crispier. So I preheated my oven and I added my chicken in the oven for, I would say, 20 minutes in total. And you would be surprised to see the amount of grease that came out of it. There is my dinner served with a little oxtail, some veggies, and yes, some Jamaican style carrot juice. And your girl decided to show you me tasting my Sunday dinner. I was like really hungry. If you're new, welcome to my channel. Thank you for stopping by. Please remember, it is always free to give me a like and drop a comment. This honey mustard fried chicken, stovetop and oven style, tasted really good. Thank you for stopping by. See you soon.